can.
Okay?
Yeah.
Let's see, and Dexter should stand here as well.
It's for Drexler.
Both of you guys. Next.
Okay, next one.
Pagka ay, nako, Beshi.
You're the third one.
First. Here's the third. Fourth.
No, Tita Eden is next.
Ay!
Wow! Next.
Ay, maganda to ah. Maganda.
That's too big naman. Dalawa ni Drexler dyan. That's too big. Oh, ito. What's your next?
I don't know.
I think like they're both too big.
May one man pa natulog dito.
Too big. You're really doing.
It's big. Too big. Next. Ang galing ni Gina.
Galing mo naman. You have me.
Never big because too big.
Oh, you're almost. But she just 1 millimeter. No more? And the winner is.
Muna ako, Cindy.
Dun, 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 dun.
Sino?
Kasi Cindy Jollibee siya eh.
Gina ata.
Omar. Almost there.
2 weeks pa lang yan.
Yeah.
Cheating!
Okay, any more?
Once
Ikaw.
again.
Ikaw na sis, tapos ka na?
Kuya
You
Boy.
done? 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 Okay, and the winner is... Ito. Gina! Karen po! Kita, talagang. Wow!
Balancing ah.
That's perfect.
That was perfect. That's great.
Awesome! Okay, so we're gonna give you some time for photos.
Beshi, low bat na.
So that ends our program. We want to thank you for coming out today. There's still some food. There's still some time to have fellowship and eats. It's not when you are not pushing you out from this place. Stay as much as you want. We'll open the presents soon. We're opening also the presents.
If somebody wants photos with them.
And if you want to have some photos with them, they are available there. Maybe when they're doing the gifts.